Create attention-grabbing thumbnails in 3 clicks, with the world's only AI thumbnail creation app, for YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or any video platform out there.
Create world-class attention-grabbing thumbnails like these, without any design skills. If you can point and click, you'll be able to easily create world-class, high-converting thumbnails. Forget about being creative and using complicated and expensive designing tools. Create a pro thumbnail in 60 seconds or less.
No need to pull your hair out trying to learn Photoshop or other complicated designing tools. No need to spend hundreds of dollars on design elements and stock photos. With Thumbnail Blaster, everything you need is under one roof. And it's so easy to use that even a kid can create attention-grabbing thumbnails with Thumbnail Blaster.
Step 1. Select one template, or let the AI choose a template for you. Thumbnail Blaster comes with over 30 thumbnail templates across multiple niches: weight loss, local business, gaming, travel, vlogs, pets, reviews, music, SEO, sports, real estate, makeup. You name it. We've got you covered.
Step 2. Click Edit, Customize. Or let the AI customize the template for you. There's nothing to install and you don't need any technical skill. Each template can easily be customized to fit your needs. You can drag and drop anything, resize, change text, and fonts. Add new elements. Just drag and drop. You are in total control. Everything is very easy with our point-and-click interface. Create your thumbnails for any style of video or any size that you want.
Step 3. Publish and get views. Uploading your new jaw-dropping and attention-grabbing thumbnail is as easy as clicking one button. Click on Publish, and Thumbnail Blaster will update your existing video with the new AI-created thumbnail that will get you more views, more visitors, and more exposure. Or you can just download the thumbnail and use it however and wherever you want.
Here's what Thumbnail Blaster will do for you. You will get more views. Thumbnails are the #1 factor that is influencing people to click and watch your videos. Increasing your click-through rate will get you more views.
You will get more exposure. Your videos will start getting more views, and automatically you will get more exposure. It's simple as that.
You will get more subscribers. And the best part about having more subscribers is that they will get notified each time you upload a new video. And all your future uploads will get even more views, and more views mean higher rankings.
You will save thousands on templates, graphics and freelancer fees. Check out how much it costs thumbnails on Fiverr. Save $225.
You will save time. You will have to wait for the freelancers to create it, sometimes up to a week. Not to mention the fact that maybe you just won't like the end result. Plus, all the designers that you will work with will create your thumbnails based on their feelings, their ideas. You can't grow a business based on somebody else's instincts.
So, this is everything you get with your purchase today. Create unlimited thumbnails. 30 thumbnail templates. AI engine to customize the templates. Drag and drop editor. Total editing and customization freedom. Split testing module. 1000 plus graphics objects library. Works with YouTube, Facebook, Instagram or any video platform out there. Free updates and support.
To get more information about Thumbnail Blaster, please visit the link below this video. This is a limited time offer. This software will get you more views, more visitors and more exposure. Visit the link below this video. We hope to see you soon.